Yeah, ready. இப்போ நம்ம தங்கபிள் ஆப் குள்ள போயிருக்கோம். இப்போ தங்கபிள் ஆப் குள்ள பாத்தீங்கன்னா இங்க கிரியேட் அப்படின்னு ஒரு இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த கிரியேட் குள்ள போயிட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தங்கபிளுக்கு ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ ஐம் கோயிங் டு கிரியேட் அன் ஆப் கால் health app underscore. I'm just going to give a name to that trial. I'm just going to give a name is called trial, and I'm going to keep it public so that everyone can see that, and I'm going to create it. Okay. So you will get a screen like this. So in the screen, in the Thunkable screen, so what you should do is you don't need this things. You can just hide all this tutorials. So you can click this button and hide it. So then you will have this screen. So in this screen, first component you should do is you wanted to access the files, right? You wanted to access the files here. So you have something called as driver navigator, sorry, drawer navigator. You click on the drawer navigator and put it on the screen, because when you are going to swipe the screen, you need a drawer navigator, this screen. Okay, and then now click on the screen one, and in screen one I'm just going to change edit the screen name to water consumption app. Okay, so I'm just going to calculate water consumption. So that is what we are going to do here. And if you want, you can set the background color here. You can set any background color you want. Okay, and you can set the background picture if you want, and you can do whatever you want here. So horizontal alignments, you have borders, colors are there. So what should be the border color? You can give a border color, and you can change the style. All those stuff you can do here. So once the screen is set, now you are going to add some buttons to the screen. Okay, so now you have to go and search in components here. So you are going to add labels here, and just drag and drop the label. Okay, that's it. Drag and drop a label 2 times. I wanted to drag and drop 2 times labels, and then I need a text input. Because you have to enter the number of glasses of water you drink, and then you have to enter the button. Okay, so you have to drag and drop a button here. So button is meant for calculation. So what you can do is you can just swipe it like this. So all these are under the screen now. Okay, so if you want this to happen, what you should do is you should first put this screen completely inside drawer navigator. So then only it will be visible. You have to put it under drawer navigator. So under drawer navigator, you are having water consumption. So in the screen, you are having label, button, input, text. Okay. Now I am going to change just replace the labels here. So I am going to put the label 1 first, and then I am going to get the input from the user, and then I am going to use the label 2. Okay. Just move it. That's it. And then you are going to have a button. Okay. You have to move it like this. Yes, but now you can see that the space is not correct here. So what you can do is you can scroll down, and you can see something called as spacing here. Okay, or padding or spacing, you have something called spacing here. You just first have to click on that. You have to first click on that, and you have to select the spacing. Vertical alignment is there. You have to say space around. That's it. So it will automatically get arranged. Now you have to click on the label first. Okay. So now you can go and edit the label. Okay. So in the label, I am going to say enter the number of glasses of water. So if you enter the number of glasses of water, that will get converted to something, and it will be displayed in the label. Okay, if you get it will be converted to liters. Okay, so here in the type you have to say type just it is a hint. Okay, hint means it is number of glasses. Okay, this type number of glasses, that's it. And this label you can just make it empty, because this is the place where you are going to get the answer. And next is the button. So the button you can just say letters. If you click that, So if you enter the number of glasses of water, because if it is 5, it will get multiplied to 0.24, because approximately 240 milliliters. Yes, right? 240. If you are going to convert the glasses of water, 1 glass of water is equal to 0.24. So 0.24 into number of glasses will give you liters. That is the formula. Now you are done with the design. If you want to change the color here, you can change the color also. So you can change the color of the button, text color, font size also you can give 20. You can give any other background color for the button. Whatever you want, you can just give the background color. And you have something called a simple and advanced. So in advanced also you have some positions, sizing, all these things are available. So you can just play with all those things. Okay. So now your designing part is over. Now we are going to do the coding part. So in the coding part, I'm just going to click on the blocks first. So here, like a button, what will happen here? You have to click a button, right? So here you have all the label 1, text input, label 2, button 1, water consumption, all this. So here you are going to say when the button 1 is clicked, what will happen? So when the button 1 is clicked, you have to convert, right? So you have to convert that values. So you have to say from label 2 set text to. So you have from label to set text here. So from label to set text to, that command should be used here. If you don't want, you can just throw it back. So you have to say from label to set text to, and you have to get the value here, right? So what you are going to do is you are just going to take this command. From text input 1 only you are going to get the value. So from text input 1, get text into that multiplied values. Okay. So you are going to say from text input 1. So here you have from text input 1, you are going to get the value, right? So you can see this command here. So you have to put a multiplication symbol first. So that will be the first option. So what you can do is you can go and click on math and drag this multiplication command here. It will automatically go now. So you have to multiply with 0.40, sorry 0.24. Whatever you get, you are just going to multiply with 0.24. So you can see that. So you have to get from text input 1, get text. Okay. So from text input 1, get text. Can you see that? From text input 1, you have to say get text. So whatever you type in the get input 1 set text, it will be multiplied. So that's it. Your coding portion is very simple now. See, I'm going to run it now. I think you can see the view now. So if you enter the number of glasses of water here, so it will automatically be converted to liters. So 1.25 glasses of water is equal to 1.2. Now what you can do is I can just edit this, and one more time I can change the label size here. So can you see label 2? So this is label 2. So if you click on the label 2 here in the design, you can find the label 2. Yes. So you are just going to change the properties of label 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the font size to be 25 for the label 2, and the color to be like some black color, big black color. I'm just going to just review it again. So if you are going to enter the glasses of water again to 5, so you can see that the size of the value has been changed here. So this is how you do it. Okay. So I hope you understand. So what next? What you have to do next is I am just going to show you in the mobile phone. Okay. So in the mobile phone, you have to open the Thunkable app with the same login ID, and you can see something called live test here. So this is how it will look like in your mobile phone. You should go to your login, and if you type whatever number here, if it is 20 glasses of water, it will say how much liters. So the first two projects are going to be very simple, and the remaining two will be little difficult. So So this is how your Thunkable app works. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.